When our consultants at One Stop Decorating are working with clients on their new project, be it a remodel project, a new home build, or just a general refresh in their home, we want to take into account style and design and what works best for the client and how they live in their space. And really, there are kind of two schools of thought in this. A lot of our clients really want something that's function only and is just in the background. It blends in with the trim work, it blends in with the walls, it provides an incredible function in blocking the light and providing privacy and a little bit of insulation, but also is neutral and in the background and is not the dominant style. We've seen a lot of design over the last couple of years that are all neutral in design. It's all an off-white and black or an all-white. And with a window shade, you really want your window shades to blend in and just be a part of the background in a neutral space. And so we do a lot of roller shades in neutral colors or honeycomb shades in neutral colors in those environments. The other school of thought is to really make them stand out, to give you something that contrasts in material, in giving you a texture, or contrast in a color, in choosing something that's a nice accent color, or even offering pattern like in a custom Roman shade that you've chosen a particular pattern that really looks good with your style or matches a tossed pillow on your couch or a particular design in a wallpaper or an accent wall that you've painted with. We have a lot of different window coverings that accomplish both of those needs. For the latter, looking at something that stands out, we offer Roman shades, which work really, really well in those environments. They stand out, they're beautiful, they have different textures, we can do patterns, we can do a different style. They have different shapes to them, whether it's a hobbled style Roman shade, a flat Roman shade, a knife pleat, or a rib pleat Roman shade. They're all different styles for a different environment. We have other shades that stand out on their own because of the style. The Hunter Douglas Pirouette is a unique shade that offers the look of a Roman shade, but also tilts open like a blind so that you can have it down for casual privacy, and it can tilt open. With the 5-inch vanes, which are larger than most other window covering vanes, you have a large presence that takes into account the scale of a room. They work great on large, tall windows to offer that scale and that exclusive design. We do a lot of work with contrasting colors. If you have a very neutral environment and you're accenting with a beautiful dark blue or one of the more trendy colors of today, there are a lot of fabrics and patterns that integrate well with those styles and help you accentuate that. We try to remind our customers that window coverings are at the eye level. They're always within your field of vision, whether you entertain a lot, whether you have people over, whether you just enjoy your environment, it's always at your eye level. So we should focus on something that's pleasing to your eye, something that you enjoy, that you really want. So we have to determine, are you someone in your home that looks through your windows at the environment around you? Or are you someone that looks at your windows because you focus on the environment on the inside? Our consultants can help you figure out which of those things is more important to you and then suggest window coverings that really fit those particular designs and styles.